Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use outfit codes in Roblox. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So if you've been given an outfit code, this is different from a usual Roblox item, and to go and use an outfit code is actually for a specific game. So what you need to do is go and search for a game called Catalog Avatar Creator. So all you need to do is type in Catalog Avatar Creator and search for any experiences. And this is the game you're looking for. Go and click on it and go and click on play. We're now in Catalog Avatar Creator, and what you need to do is go over to the left to Community Outfits. And then what you want to do is go into one of these categories. So for example, I'll go and click on Most Popular, and then all you need to do is go down to the bottom left here. And we've got the option for outfit code. And that's where you need to go and enter in the code, which I'll go and enter in now and press enter. It will then say loading outfit, and here it is. Then what you can do is save it to Roblox. Or if you want to go and see how it's going to go and look, go and click where, and it will then be applied to you just in the game, though it won't be in other games, just this one, and that's it. So that's basically how you can use outfit codes in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.